Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to another chat GPT content. Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how chat GPT can code a trading robot from scratch. No programming skills required. Whether you trade Forex, stocks, or crypto, AI powered automation can take your strategy to the next level. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future AI trading tutorials. Okay, let us get started. So what exactly are we doing today in this video? We are just going to use ChatGPT to generate a trading robot that can execute trades automatically based on predefined rules. Now this works for Forex, stocks, and even crypto, depending on the platform that you use. Okay, to make this simple, we'll break it down into four key steps. The first is generating the bot code using ChatGPT. Then we're going to be implementing the script in TradingView using Pine script, and we're going to backtest the bot's performance and optimize the strategy for better execution. So I am just going to start by asking ChatGPT to generate a trading robot, and I'm just going to use the prompt create a Pine script trading bot that uses RSI and moving averages for buy and sell signals. So in just seconds, we have a fully functional script. Let us go over the key components. So you can see that ChatGPT has briefly given us a summary of what this bot can do. It says the bot uses the RSI and moving averages for buy and sell signals. It buys when the RSI is oversold and the price is above the moving averages, and sells when the RSI is overbought and the price is below the moving averages. This script enters a long position when the RSI crosses above the oversold level 30 and the price is above both moving averages. It closes the position when the RSI crosses below the overbought level, which is 70, and the price is below both moving averages. Now, what we're going to do next is we have to implement this. Now that we have the code, we are going to copy the script into TradingView's Pine script editor. So we're going to head into the TradingView's Pine script editor right now. Right. So here is the Pine editor. Okay, let's just give this a fresh look, fresh space. Okay. So now we are going to paste the ChatGPT generated Pine script code. We're just going to copy the code here from ChatGPT and head to the Pine script and paste it right there in the Pine script. Now, after doing that, we'll have to click add to charts. Okay. We're going to add it to charts. Oh, it seems like it's already adding to the charts. Okay, let's see. Let's just give it a few seconds. Okay, I think it has been added to the charts. It has been added to the chart. Let us look at it. All right. Okay, I think we just need one. Okay, now now that it has been added to the chart, you can see that the bot is now running. Can you see up here? You can see the bot is now running. So we are going to, of course, when the right conditions are met, the bot is going to do its job, right? But to ensure that our trading bot is effective, we need to back test it. All right, TradingView has a built-in strategy tester. You can see it here, and the strategy tester, at the bottom of the platform, it reviews key performance metrics such as you can see this is okay. And there's nothing here. This is the performance of the bot if we are doing a back testing, right? Let's see if this is going to give us something useful. Okay, let's just work with what we have here. So we have, based on the information given unto us by this strategy tester, the bot is expected to have an open P and an open profit of over $1,000 right now, and a buy and hold return of almost 60%. And okay, this is for maximum equity run up, and this is for the maximum equity drawdown. So the maximum equity drawdown we have here is 0.03%. It's 0.03%. The buy and hold return is almost 60%, and the open profit is 0.11% all right, so we can, let us see trades analysis. Okay, the total open trades, it seems like there is a signal at the moment based on this, the strategy that we gave ChatGPT to generate for us. There seems to be a signal at the moment, and that's the reason why we have one open trade, which is a buy trade, right? Because obviously, as you can see, the trend is bullish, so perhaps the robot would likely have opened a buy trade already. And okay, there are no much information right now. Then let's see the risk. Let's see list of trades. Okay, so this is the information that the strategy tester is giving us, right? As you can see on the screen, this is just the only information that the strategy tester gave us, and based on what we can see here, is this what this robot would have done, holding a trade for 3 years? Well, that's crazy. Well, I think you can actually modify your robot if you notice that it holds one trade for 3 years. Anyways, this is just an example of a strategy that was developed with a simple prompt. Remember that it was just a simple prompt. This was the prompt. So if you want a more detailed, robot, if you want a more profitable robot, I guess maybe you can give ChatGPT a more detailed prompt, right? You can give it a more detailed prompt, explain as much things as possible, give the ChatGPT as much information as possible. This was just a very simple prompt that ChatGPT used to generate this script, and based on what we can see here, the strategy tester on TradingView is telling us that there was just one contract, and this is gold, right? CFD is on gold, and based on what this is saying, the entry long was June 10, 2022. Exit long was, well, this is open. This says open, okay, and cumulative profit is 0.11%. And basically, this video has already revealed to you that you can generate code for a trading robot using ChatGPT. But my recommendation is ensure that you input detailed information in your prompt. That's just my recommendation. All right. Input detailed information, however you want the bot to be. If you want the bot to use a specific kind of strategy, make sure you give ChatGPT a detailed information in your prompt. All right. So basically that is it. We have just used ChatGPT to code, implement, and backtest a trading robot in TradingView. So AI is making automated trading more accessible than ever. If you want me to cover more AI powered trading tools, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more expert trading content. See you in the next video.